the attendance QR code really fast if you want to scan that.
Quick question, is attendance like a possibility?
No. Yeah, we asked you guys to do attendance so we can know more or less what we kind of need to change, and then also just see there's like the virtual and online question on every one of those. We kind of track to see like how many people show up online versus virtual and see what we need. Okay. Okay, we can skip through this. Okay, so today is basically a work day for the project, and I'm gonna go over what the actual project requirements are right now. So the first requirement of the project is you need to create a shape that you can run shape optimization on, and then you're gonna be able to improve the shape using the mesh that the shape optimization gives you. And this can be an existing project model, or it can be a simple object you create, or it can be a model you take off Thingiverse or something of the sort. Just make sure that you're able to do this in Fusion 360 if you take the online version or the online option. We would prefer if you guys made your own object. That's what me and George did in our project when we did the class. So yeah. And then, like I said, you're gonna have to run a shape optimization on it. And the mesh settings are kind of up to for you guys to decide. You don't need to tell us exactly what the mesh settings are. Just make sure that it's, you know, adequate for whatever you're doing. If you're doing anything with really big flat surfaces like a rectangular box, which we had last session, and you do a really fine mesh, that will take like literally a day to run. So please don't do that. But yeah, and then after you run your shape optimization, you're gonna go ahead and refine the shape using the mesh that's given to you. And then you're just gonna run a static simulation on it. And what you need to give us are 5 total screenshots. Open the rest of this. And it's gonna be the static simulation results that you've been doing this entire time, the displacement, the stress, and the safety factor after you've already done the shaped optimization. And you're gonna need to give us the shaped optimization study mesh, and then the initial mesh that's given to you before you start the shape optimization. So once you generate your mesh, take a screenshot of that for us. Are there any questions right now? Okay. Yeah, so here, I'm gonna pop this up on screen really fast. This is just the assignment submission link. Again, we'll send it out on Slack. If you want to scan it now, that's all right. I'm gonna go back to this. So yeah, so the rest of the time today is work time. We'll be around obviously to walk around, answer questions, and help you guys out. So yeah.